Hello explorers and welcome to this week's episode. In this week's episode we're going to start a new thing about weekend away ideas, Cape Town edition. So we left Joburg early this morning, flew to Cape Town, rented a car and came straight to Boulder Beach to come and meet these guys.
The pricing you see on screen is applicable for both gates. Okay guys, so when you get to the parking area at Boulder Beach, you have two options to see the penguins. Option 1. You can go straight, where you will walk on the beach to see the penguins, but it's not guaranteed that they will be on this beach. Or you can go for option 2, like we did, where you will walk on the wooden walkway all the way to the second gate at Foxy Beach. This is where you will walk past the penguins' nest to where they swim and walk on the beach.
Gonna fly away, go a million miles, and take a holiday where I can hide a while, and where the crowds are gone. I'll hear the sirens song, saying here a life like this you can do no wrong. A life like someone told me I'd never see. Gonna fly away, but I'll be gone. Gonna find a life like this where I belong.
had the most delicious lunch at Black Marlin Restaurant on our way to our second destination. I was here when I was still a kid, and Joe has never been here, so I'm so excited for him to experience this magnificent place. Can you guess where we are? As you guys can see in this clip, there are a lot of tourists here. We spoke to one of the local guides and they suggested coming either early mornings or late afternoon to avoid the crowds. You can either do the scenic hike up to the lighthouse or you can jump into the Flying Dutchman to the top. We were pushed for time, so we opted for the Flying Dutchman experience, which was epic.
Guys, welcome to the Bay. I must say it's been epic traveling all along the coast, all the way here to Bloubergstrand, where we will be staying for the next couple of nights. This is a bit of a smaller unit, but it's more than enough for a weekend away in Cape Town. So on that side we have a bathroom, on this side a nice double bed. And here you have a nice living room, a kitchen, and there's a little stoop. Let's go check the view. This unit does have a view of Table Mountain, but unfortunately the clouds just started rolling in and now it's overcast. So if there's a better view tomorrow, I'll put it in here. Guys, finally on our second day we got spoiled with this amazing view of Table Mountain. Now to rate this place, I would give it a 9 out of 10 for the price you pay for it. It's a little bit cramped, but if you're just looking for a place to sleep when you explore Cape Town, this is definitely the place to be. Thank you for joining us on this first episode of our Weekend Away Exploring Cape Town edition, and we'll see you guys in the next one.